Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Am I audible?
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning, Jia. Very good evening, Ajaha. Very good evening, Kanak. First of all, Najaha, where were you missing yesterday?
Sir, I had annual day.
Annual day. What? You performed?
Yes, sir.
Wow, what did you perform?
Sir, I did a dance.
Superb, superb. On which song?
Sir, some Malayalam songs.
Some Malayalam song. Very nice. Good. Okay, so you can watch recording of next week, okay? How are you, Kanak?
Good.
Good. How is my dear Satvik?
He's good.
He's good. You also play cricket with him?
Yeah.
Nice. Jia, good morning. Wake up now. It's late.
Good morning.
So I'm not sure where is Vedant, where is Nishita, where is Ruhan, Sam still. So we'll start, guys. Let people join. Yesterday we talked about percentage. So there are two things which are important at your level to compare quantities, right? Jia, like when you compare, suppose you want to compare how much Jia scored or how much Jia's friend Riya scored. Who is better? I just put some new friends Riya. Okay, how's Jia? Okay, Jia. Jia got 17 out of 20. Riya got 24 out of 30. Very difficult to compare. So percentage is one mechanism. You find percentage of both the students, you can compare who done better, right? Who has done better, right here? So percentage is one way to compare quantities, correct? Today we are going to another thing which is also useful to compare quantities. Can you guess what topic we'll do today? Which is very useful to compare quantities. Tell me. Any idea, anyone?
I don't know.
Okay, but guess. So we are going to do today ratio and okay, tell me Naja. Don't tell me
Sir,
you're saying same thing.
yeah, I was thinking of ratio. I am studying that in maths class.
Okay, but how will I know that you are telling truth that you are about to say same thing? Okay.
Because at the end of the class, I was about to ask a question in my maths textbook about ratio.
Perfect. You can ask me today. So we are going to do today very easy and very important topic ratio and proportion. Who will tell me what is ratio in your own words? Who will tell me what do you mean by ratio? Kanak, Jia, Naja, anyone? Yes, please, Naja. Go on.
Sir, it's comparing two quantities with divisions.
It's comparing two quantities with division means actually it means division only. For example, if I say the number of pencils, again, just the way I'm saying, number of pencils Jia and Najha have are in ratio 2 is to 3. So it gives the idea the number of pencils Jia and Najha have is ratio 2 is to 3. It doesn't mean that Jia has 2 pencils, Najha has 3 pencils. No, it's the ratio. What is the meaning, guys? Understand. The meaning is let's write Jia here. Let's write Najha here. Write the ratio to this double column is known as the ratio. You read like 2 to 3 or 2 ratio 3, correct? So what is the meaning of this ratio? Let's say if total pencils are 20, so how much Jia and Naja ratio is 2 to 3 respectively? So to find out Jia's share, means out of 20, how much Jia has? See the method. How many parts Jia has here? 2 parts. 2 and 3. What is 2 plus 3?
5.
So total 5 parts are there, right? Out of 5 parts, Jia has 2 parts, Naja has 3 parts. So Jia has how many? You will say Jia has 2 parts out of 5. Jia has 2/5, correct? Doesn't matter how much total. Jia has 2/5 of total. Naja has how much? Naja's parts are
Sir, 3/5.
3 parts. Naja's share will be 3 parts out of 5 parts. 3/5 of total. So that is the meaning of ratio, Kanak, right? Jia has 2/5, Naja has 3/5. Why? Because total part 5, 3. That is the meaning of ratio. Now if you have to find out actual pencils, 2/5 of total. How many total pencils, Naja?
Sir, 5.
20
No,
pencils
sorry,
are, no,
20.
20 are total pencils. So 5 is just a part. So Jia will get 2/5 of 20 and Naja will get 3/5 of 20. So how to solve 2/5 of 20? We know that 2/5 means 2/5. That's what she said, division, 2/5. Of means times, correct? How much? 20. You know how to solve this, right? 2/5 of 20. Yesterday also we did percentage, right, Jia? 2/5 of 20. Just do 2 times 20. 20 to 40 by 5, 8. She has 8 pence. That is the meaning of ratio. Similarly, if you have to find out how much Naja has, 3/5 of 20. If I write like this, 3/5 of 20. 3 parts out of 5 parts. So it is agree? So good thing about ratio, Jia. How many pencils Jia has? 8. How many pencils Naja has? 12. Add both of them. You get 20. We had 20, right? So what is the ratio? Ratio gives how much part everyone has out of the total. The moment when somebody says, this is my ratio, you say, sir, Jia has 2/5, Naja has 3/5. Okay, I'll give one more example. Okay, Jia? Let's say Kanak, Jia, Najha want to divide 30 chocolates in ratio 1:2:3 respectively. How many chocolate each will receive? You will say Kanak versus Jia versus Naja. First will write the ratio, correct? This is the concept. Now, how much Kanak will get? Kanak's part is how much? How much Kanak you have? How much part you have?
1,
How many total parts are there?
6.
So you'll
So-
say 1 plus, correct, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 6 parts. So Kanak will get 1/6 of total. How much you will get, Jia?
I would get
How many parts out of how many parts? You have
2 out of
2 parts out of
2, 6.
so 6 you'll get. And how much Naja will get?
Sir, 3/6.
3 parts out of 6 parts. This is just the ratio. Now if you want to get actual number of how much total chocolates? 30. Of how many chocolates? 30. Of how many chocolates? 30. So that's it. When you solve 1/6 of 30 is 30 divided by 6, 5 chocolates. Jia got 2/6 of 30 is 10 chocolates. Naja is luckiest one. She get 15 chocolates. What will do with 15 chocolates, Naja? She is the youngest one, so we want more chocolates. But tell me now, all of you, is concept difficult or concept easy to understand? Jia, what do you think?
It's easy to understand, but I remember doing ratios in grade 6. We did it the other way, but I just don't know what was the way we did.
You would have done same way. You would either do X, either using the X method or the ratio method. It's like 1:2:3. So 1:2:3
I
is
remember
6
doing
parts. Yes.
Hmm.
So this is 1/6. Now, how to solve this part is a normal math of fraction. This is a fraction, normal fraction.
Hmm.
Ratio is main thing here only. This is what ratio. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. Okay?
Okay.
Let's try one question now. Kanak is clear?
Yes, sir.
And Naja? So let's try. Kanak, Jia, and Naja want to share $100 in ratio. $5:3:2 respectively. Can you find out how much dollars Jia will get, how much dollars Naja will get, how much? Can you find out, guys? The basic concept of ratio.
So first,
First, you will write the ratio as K is to J is to N, 5:3:2. How many total parts are there? How many total parts are there?
10.
10. Good. So how much is Kanak share? How many parts out of how many Kanak?
5/10. So
5 or 10 of
100.
the total money, $100. So calculate. How much Jia will get? How many parts out of how many Jia?
5.
No, Jia's.
310.
3/10 you'll get out of
100.
$100. And how much Naja will get?
So 2/10 of
2/10 of 100. Now, how to calculate easy? You know that, right, guys? You cancel 0 with 0 and you get it. Tell me the answers of everyone. Each one of you tell your answers. Who will tell me first? You can speak it out if you want.
50.
Ranak will get $50. Correct. When it is 3/10 of 100, yeah, you can cancel 0 of 10 and 0 of 100.
So that would be 10.
So what you see, the way to solve GI is, I know you are struggling in just calculating. See, this is 3/10, correct?
Yeah.
Of means times. This is the question or not, Jia?
Yes.
Jia will simply cancel 0 with 0. What's remaining now?
10.
And
3. So
3 times 10.
3 times 10, 30.
That's it.
Oh,
So easy,
yeah.
right?
Okay.
That's it. Tell me, Naja.
Sir, $20.
$20. 2/10 of 100. You cancel 0 with 0. You get $20. So that is the answer. Right or not? That is the meaning of ratio. Ratio is used to compare the quantities. Any question? You want to try one more question? All of you?
Yeah.
Let's try. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D, E. They want to distribute, want to share 50 stems in ratio 3, 2. Tell me how much everybody will get. How much A will get, how much B will get, how much C will get, how much D will get. Try everybody. A, B, C, D want to share 50 steps in the ratio 3 to 1, 1, 3. How much steps everyone will receive? Each will receive. Kanak has solved it. Okay, Kanak, good. And the good way to check answer, Kanak, is add all the what you got, you should get 50. Add all of the numbers you got. If you're getting 50, that is correct. Check, Kanak, self-check. If you get total as 50, A gets 50 steps, right? Naja, correct? Jia, did you get any one of them? Correct, Naja. A and B is correct. Kanak, you got all correct. Jia, how many total paths are there? You are on mute.
Sorry, I was writing it.
You are correct, Jia. A gets 15 steps. Good, keep writing for all of them. Naja, you are correct. C and D. Good, Jia.
Because C and D are the same, so C.
Good. You can speak also, Jia, if you want. Correct, Jia. Correct, Naja. Nice. So all of you understood the method of what is the meaning of ratio. Good. Good. Naja, you want to say E gets 15. Correct, Naja? Got it. So all of you are correct. No confusion. This is about meaning of the ratio. So you can share among and find out who gets what. That is the method. That is the basic concept of ratio. Okay, Jia? Kanak? Now we learn second thing is simplified ratio. Very easy, normal division. If I say ratio, if I say simplify ratio 10:15, what you have to do is you write 10:15 means 10 divided by 15. That is, ratio means it's a division only. That's what initially I just said, right? To divide. So 10:15 means 10 by 15. How you simplify it? You cancel both with same number. 5 times 3, 15. 5 times 10 is 2. So number becomes 2 by 3. You will say, sir, the answer is 2:3. Correct or not? Simplifying means try to divide same number and say which will get the smallest number. So ratio 10:15 is same as ratio 2:3. Simplifying means write in a division method and try to cancel to make the smallest possible. Normal division, but don't try to get decimals, okay? Just get the smallest fraction. So if I give a question now, shall I erase it here? 1 minute, okay?
So I have a question, and also
Yes,
I'm
please.
done. So, wait, did you do divide the 10? Like, did you divide it by 5?
Yes. See, the idea is what? 10 by 15 is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
You try to make, if it's difficult to divide like that, you write factors. What is 10 means? This. What is 15
Yes.
means? This. This is both way you can actually do directly. No, you cancel it out. What is remaining now?
Okay.
Right? So that is the method
Yeah.
we always use. Perfect. So let's everybody solve this question. Simplify ratio 30:24 and tell me the answer. Correct, Kanak. Good. The second one is correct. Good. Kanak is fast. So simplifying the ratio. Good. Let's see other. Where is Vedant and these people are there? Any idea, Tia? No?
I woke up at 4 and also Vedant did. We are cousins. So we woke up at 4, but the classes were delayed. So I think he went back to sleep. I messaged him, but like he didn't see it.
So class is at your 4 o'clock.
And for us, it would be 4 a.m. in the morning.
Really? I was thinking it was 6 a.m. No?
No, 4 a.m. in the morning, and then for my brother, it's 6:30 in the morning.
Oh, okay, okay. Now, how come it is?
Our time is different than India. Like I
3
don't
to
know how.
4, 5 to 6:30. Okay. Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's too early. I know. So good. Salute to you people. You're waking up so early and doing class. That's nice. So 30:24, guys. First, you're going to write 30/24, right, Naja? And if you don't know how to cancel, Naja, the best thing is make factors. How you make factors of 30, Naja? Unmute.
Sir,
How you make factor of 30? 30 means what times what is 30? 10 times 3, 6 times 5. Tell anything what you want. 30 means what you, how you split the 30 into small numbers.
I first divided it by 2 right now.
Okay, so you divide by 2. Chalo, we'll do your way. But the easier way, guys, is, you know what, Naja, 30. 30 means what? 6 times 5?
Yes, sir.
24 is what? 6 times 4?
Yes, sir.
Can you cancel 6 times 6 or not?
Yes, sir.
The answer is
5 to
that's
the ratio.
it, right? That's the easiest way. Or if you divide by 2 times, this becomes 15. This
Divide
becomes 12.
by-
No, you cannot divide by 2. You divide by 3 now. So 5 and 4. Whichever way you get, you always get 5 by 4 only. So answer is 5:4. Right, Via?
Mm-hmm.
Did you stuck, Naja?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Let's try one more. Simplify. It's a ratio very tearing you. Try. Okay. Good, Kanak. Too fast, too correct. Very good. Yes, Naja. Any question? Difficult?
Yes, sir.
Not difficult. All these numbers are divisible by what? You can think like that. All these numbers are divisible by what? They come in which table?
5.
So you can say the best way or the easiest way is you can say, sir, I'll divide by 5 all the numbers. How much you get here?
4.
How much you get here?
5.
5. How much you get the next?
6.
So हो गया ना Naja? Done. See? Naja
I
is done
was
without
think-
pen.
I was
Huh?
thinking right like division way.
But see, division means divide all. See, what we are doing actually, Naja, is we are dividing every number like this with 5. That's the object.
Okay.
Okay?
I
Yeah,
have a question. I
ask me.
understand this. And it's not about this. The classes end at 6:30, right?
Class will end in 1 hour, yes.
Pardon?
Class will end in 1 hour total.
Okay. So at
So by
7.
5 p.m.
Okay.
No, we started 1 hour. We started 1 hour late, right? So okay, what is time now?
It's 6:01.
We will finish at 6:30.
Okay. Right. It's
Yes.
confusing.
I know, because it's like, so we just delayed by 1 hour, so we'll finish it after 30 minutes. Because then your brother's class will start. Okay, we are gone. So got everybody? Let's try one more. Simplify A is to B is to C is to D. Try. The method is you divide all the numbers with one single number. That's the objective. Till you can try divide with either 2 or 4 or 8 or whichever you think is best. Kanak, how come you are so fast? Tell me the secret. Tell everyone the secret, Kanak. You are correct, Kanak. So what are you going to do? Who will tell me the method? Naja will tell, Zia will tell, or who will tell? Kanak will tell, who will tell? The method. To divide all the numbers with what?
2.
Let's divide with 2. How much you get here? 8.
Okay. So
Then
yes. 40 over 10. Right. 40. 1 second. So 20.
left.
Then 24 divided by 2 would be 12, and 32 divided by 2 would be 16.
Perfect. Naja, what is the next step? Now you'll divide by what?
2 again.
Again 2, yeah, no problem. So how much it is now?
2, 4 is to 10 is to 6 is to 8.
Good. Can you again divide by something? Any one of you? Who will tell
Divide
me?
by
Kanak? Divide by 2. Kanak, what are the numbers now?
2, 5, 3, and 4.
No, this is final answer. You know why it's final answer? Because numbers are all these 5 numbers now, right? 2, 5, and 3 are 5 numbers. You can't divide further. Right, Naja? So tell me, Naja, is it difficult or easy? Honestly.
So it was easy, but instead of dividing by 6, I divided by 4 and then by 2.
That's fine. See, everybody else. If I had your place, I'll tell you divide by 8 only. But your choice. Yeah, it is difficult or easy? Yeah, it's easy. Easy or difficult?
Easy.
Easy, right? Kanak, I know Kanak, I will ask because she's answering very fast. So, no, there another question which has simplification where will not divide, will multiply. So I'll tell you. If I say simplify ratio A is to B, and the ratio is given 1/4 and 1/8. Now tell me what you will do. Okay, Priyanka is coming finally now. 1/4 and 1/8. This time you are not going to divide. When you simplify, you have to remove the fraction. So you are going to multiply. Multiply such a number that fraction goes. What do you multiply with? Which is the bigger number, 4 or 8?
8.
Multiply with 8. You will feel, oh, sir, it's more easy. So it become how much? 1 by 4 times 8, right here? And this becomes how much? 1 by 8 times 8, right? Priyanka, welcome. Finally, Priyanka came. Priyanka, why you missed yesterday? Don't tell me you were busy in your playing or something. Tell me.
Sir, I am in school.
Yesterday was school,
Yes, sir.
and today
Sir, today I
Forgot.
am not at home.
you are enjoying. That's fine. That's okay. So now we have multiplied with 8. So when you say 1 by 4 times 8, means what? 8 divided by 4, right? Correct? 8 divided by 8 is what? The answer is this. We have the same thing which is done in percentage and in the earlier question. Correct? 1/4 of 8 means 1 times 8 by 4. 1 into 8 is 8, 8 divided by 4 too. Tell me, Naja, you understand this? Dia, you understand this? Think of doing ratios today. You understand this? Okay, so let's try everybody. There's one question. Dia, you're writing. When you're done, tell me. Done. So I want you to simplify this ratio, which says A is to B is to C. A is 2/5, 3/10, 4/5. Simplify. Think about it. You will multiply. Obviously, you have to multiply, right? Because there's a fraction. You have to remove the fraction. Or you multiply by 5 or 10. What do you think? Try. Rinka, you know how to do this?
Sir, I am trying.
Okay, we are going to multiply by 10 because 10 is bigger between 5 and 10. So multiply with 10. Try now. Priyanka wins. Priyanka now. 2/5, 3/10, 4/5. Okay. 2/5, 3/10, 4/5. We are going to multiply with 10. 2 by 5 of 10 is how much? Yes, Gia.
It would be 4 because 2 over 5,
Correct. Correct.
and then that would be 3,
Correct.
and the next one would be 8.
Good. So tell me how you got this. You are explaining this. How you got 4? Tell me.
So first what I did was I went through and I know that 10 was the biggest number. So I did 2 divided by 5 times 10. Well, I did it in the calculator. So I did 2 divided by 5 times 10. I got 4.
Right. Without calculator also we can do 2 by 5 times 10. 2 times 10 is 20. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Correct. Is
And then
everyone
I
clear
did
here? Yes, same thing. Yeah, correct. Raja, clear hai? Priyanka, how much is clear?
Sir, 90%.
90%. 10% will become 100. I'm coming to your home tomorrow. You know that or not? For dinner. Do you know or not?
No, sir.
So you are saying no, don't come or what?
Sir, I will be in school till 5.
No, I'll meet your mom. Don't worry. See, Naja is inviting me to Bangalore so much time, right, Naja? Or no? Like Kanak is inviting me to Melbourne. So are you going to invite me or not?
Since I know, I'll ask for your address and I'll get them.
So everybody simplify A to B to C, which is given by 3 by 11, 5 by 22, 4 by 11. Try.
Okay.
Canada, I will not go because it's too cold. Kanak got the answer correct. Kanak, you are good. Very fast. It's taking 5 seconds for you, Kanak. How come? If, you know, everybody wants to know how come. 311, 520, 411.
Shouldn't choose the biggest 3 over 11 times 22. So 3.
They will be able to get it. What are we going to multiply with, Naja?
Sir, I multiplied with 22.
And that is correct. 3 by 11 of 22. So 11 times 2, 22, 3 times 2 is 6. Correct.
Yes, sir.
5 by 22 times 20. 22 to cancel only 5.
Right.
4 by 11 times 22. 11 and 22, 2. So what are 2, 8? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Priyanka, right? That's it. Yeah, got same? Yes, that's it. 6 is to 5 is to 8. So first thing is what is the ratio? Second thing is how to simplify the ratio. And the third concept, which is more interesting, compound ratio. When we combine, means combine 2 or more ratios. So Kanak is back. So combine 2 or more ratios is known as compound ratio. Means what? It means if I say A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Suppose. And if I say B is to C is say 3 is to 5. And somebody asks is what is A is to B is to C? A is to B is to C is known as compound ratio because you're combining A and B with B and C to make the compound ratio A is to B is to C. Cool. So how to do it? The method. Let's understand the method. First you write the first ratio. 2 is to 3, correct? Then you write side by side second ratio. 3 is to 5. Correct or not? Now, the rule is, or the method is, A is here, C is here, but B is common or not in both? So whichever letter is common in both, we'll try to make that number same. How much B is value here? 3. How much B is value here? 3. Both are same. Both are same. There's nothing to do. You can say A is 2, B is 3, C is 5. Because you take any one of the B. So compound ratio A is to B is to C is 2 is to 3, 5. The common number or the common letter should be equal. Yes, dear.
What if they like both of the numbers aren't common?
That is the next question I'll explain. You are right. That is the main thing I would explain. You are asking, go ahead. Very good. So the objective is make the center number, common number equal. Now let's another example where what happens if the numbers are not equal. Very good question. Let's try. Suppose, shall I erase it, Naja? Writing it? Okay. No problem. Take your time. Kanak clear hai?
Okay, sir.
Kanak, you have somebody in Sydney?
Sorry?
Any of your friends, relative, close friends, relative are they in Sydney or not?
Sorry?
Do you have anybody in Sydney or no?
No.
Okay. So one of my students is moved from Singapore to Sydney. So I'm asking you. So let's try now. Next question, Maja, shall we raise? So if I give you the ratio, A is to B is say 2 is to 5. And another ratio B is to C is say 4 is to 3. So no, Jia, ask the correct question. First of all, Jia, which Z is common? B is common, correct? And the rule is what? Whichever the common letter is there, common ratio is there, you have to make them equal. But are the B's equal here? No. So how you make both the B's equal? B's and B's. This is 4. You multiply the first ratio with 4. So how much you will get? A is 8, B is 20 or not? So multiplying the full ratio with 4.
So 2 ratio 5, multiply that by 4.
So your A to B becomes now 8 is to, agree? And the second ratio. So you want to make second ratio B also 20. So you're going to multiply this with 5. So
Okay.
how much will B become now? 4 is 520 and C becomes 3 to 515.
Yes.
What we're
So
doing is
then-
multiplying the full ratio. This ratio with 4, this ratio with 5. So now both are same or not?
Yes.
No, G, I will say, sir, I am done. My answer is A is to B is to C is 8 is to 20 is to 15.
15.
The logic is make it same and you done it. So you might ask me, sir, why you decided to multiply 4 and 5, correct? It's very easy. It's very easy to think, oh, here 5 and 4. You multiply this with this and this with this, right? So both become same. There's the logic. Cool, everyone. So A to B is known as compound ratio. Combined ratio. I call it equivalent ratio. Both are same. Ready to do next question, everyone? Yes. Find ratio A is to B is to C if A is to B is 3 is to 4 and B is to C Can you try it now? All of you? Compound ratio are very important to solve many problems. Kanak, it's clear? Kanak, clear? No?
Yes, sir.
Good. So let's try this. But we have to multiply the full ratio, guys. We cannot multiply just the one number. Okay, Kanak? Full multiply. Okay, I got some answer from Kanak, some answer from Raja. Let's see who get it right. First of all, tell me, Priyanka, you are going to what you have to melt, which number you have to make same? A, B, or C?
4 and 3, B and B.
We have to make these two same, correct? So you are going to multiply first ratio with which number?
3,
Correct. You're going to multiply second ratio with which number?
4.
Perfect. Let's do that. How much you get A here?
9.
9. How much you get B here?
12.
Perfect. In the second ratio, how much you get B?
12.
And how much you get C?
20.
Finally, when you combine, will you made the number same now? So you can say, sir, my ABC is equal to how much A we got? 9. How much B we got? 12. You get 20. That's the answer. Right? Take that or not? Good, Jia. Got same. Naja, Kanak, got same. Easy. Perfect. Let's try one more. More difficult, but I am going to twist it. And I am not going to tell you what is the twist. A is to B is 2 is to 5. C is to B is try. Give me A is to B is to C. Find A is to B is to C. I will not tell you what is the twist. Let's see you understand or not.
I know the twist. Wait.
Good, good. Nice. Yes. Okay, I got Kanak's answer. I got Najad's answer. And Kanak and Najad have same answer. Okay. Let's see others. It's easy, Najad. This will be very useful for you. You can ask me your doubt in some of the textbooks now after this. You have a question right with you? Okay. So after this, we'll solve one question what Naja is saying. Who will explain me this? Jia is writing also and raising hand also. Very active. Very nice, Jia. What will do now? Tell me, Jia.
So first, the twist was that you changed the B and the C around.
The order is changed and it makes a difference, right?
Mhm.
What you
So
do?
then C
So
would be
you
4.
will interchange it. In the question, you have to interchange it. Because you have to find a common thing, right?
Yeah.
To reverse the ratio, C is to B is 4 is to 2, B is to C will be. I switch it again in the answer. Because why? Because we need both the B together, right?
Mhm.
When you don't reverse it, you can write other way, but you have to solve like that. You have to make both the B same, correct?
Yeah.
But if you write this way, it will be easy to read. That's what. That's it. Now, what will make same? B's, right? Yeah.
Yes.
You're going to multiply first ratio with
2.
second ratio with
5.
perfect. We get
5 times
first
2
will get
is 10.
4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10, right or not?
Yeah.
And here
10 and then 40.
agree? Everyone?
Yes.
You multiply with no, we multiply with 5. Sorry, 20. Na? What I'm doing? What is my maths happened? Okay. So now you got both the tens. These are same. So you can say A
4, 10, and 20.
ratio. That's it. The way you read is 4 ratio 10 ratio 20. And that is what everybody got, right? Priyanka, Zia, Kanak. That is known as equivalent ratio or compound ratio. So three things we learned. Concept of ratio to share, simplifying the ratio, and compounding the ratio. This is what we did in all the questions. Any question before Naja asks her textbook question? Tell me, Naja.
Sir, in this, a truck requires 108 liters of diesel for covering a distance of 594 kilometers. So, how much diesel will be required by the truck to cover a distance of 1,650 kilometers?
So this is the question of not ratio, this is a question of ratio proportion which you're going to learn now. We are going to learn now the ratio and proportion. This is about ratio and proportion. We learned only the ratio. We are going to learn now what is ratio and proportion. We'll keep it here. I'll explain the concept. Till now we learned what is ratio. We are going to learn what is ratio and proportion, or what is proportion. This is a proportion thing. Anybody know what is proportion? Any idea, anyone?
No, I didn't miss the class.
Okay. When two ratios are equal, they are in proportion. I'll explain the meaning. You will say it's so easy. And then we can do the question very easy by rule of proportion. Very, very easy. Okay? Understand. For example, I have one ratio A is to B. If this ratio is equal to number to C to B, then you can say A, B, C, D are in proportion. That is the concept. Okay? Now, what is the usefulness of this? What is the usefulness of this? Usefulness is this. I want everyone to write what I'm writing now in black. You have to use this. I'm writing in black. That is known as rule of proportion. Means product of extremes is equal to product of means. I'll explain what is the meaning of this in a moment. Product of extreme equal to product of means. Okay? What is the meaning of product of extreme? I'll tell you. So I need a space for that.
So A into D is equals to B into C.
Why it is because, right, who is saying? Naja is saying. Extreme means corner. Who is the corner? This is the corner. And this is the corner. Extreme means the corner. A times D. Equal to, Naja, what you said? Product of B is the middle ones. B into C. That is what rule of proportion here. Corner product and the center one product. They will always be equal. Okay? Let's understand the example. If I say one ratio, 1:2 is proportional to 5:10. This is the symbol. See this symbol. This is the symbol of ratio, right? 1:2. This is the second ratio, 5:10. When you put 4 dots, that is the symbol of proportion. You can say 1:2 is proportional to 5:10. We want to verify, Kanak? Very easy. Kanak, unmute and tell me. What is the product of extreme? 1 times 10.
10,
What is the product of mean?
10.
They are equal, right? That is rule of proportion, Naja. Product of extreme equal to product of mean in when the ratio are in proportion. Cool, everyone? Now, how to solve the question which Naja said? Now, I'm going to erase all of this. I'm going to do the question of Raja, very easy. Let's bring back the question what Raja. Where is the question? You are here. So, what is 108 liters? Diesel, correct? What is this? Distance. Correct? What
Yes,
is this? Distance. What we need? Diesel.
Diesel.
So now you can say, let's call it diesel 1, distance 1. Let's call it distance 2, diesel 2, just to give it. So first ratio is given between, say, diesel 1 versus distance 1, correct?
Yes, sir.
You can say diesel versus distance is proportional to diesel versus distance, obviously, right? The more diesel, the more distance will run. Correct now? The more
Yes.
diesel, the more distance. The more diesel, the more distance. So now, how much is diesel 1?
108 liters.
108. How much is distance 1?
590 kilometers.
How much is diesel 2? We have to find out. That's the D. How much is distance 2?
1650.
So that is my question. So now you have to solve. You say, what's the product? What is product of screen? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Equal to what is product of mean? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
We applied exactly the rule. So 108 and 150 equal to 590 times D. So if you want to find a D, this 590 can come below. This become like this. So when you solve this, 108 times 1650 divided by 590, you will get your diesel 2. Calculate using calculator. See the calculator diya hai, right? Yeah, use calculator. Tell me 108 times 1650 divided by 590.
It's 108 times 650, right?
No, I am saying 108 times 1650 whole divided by 590. Correct?
Wait, what?
This.
Oh, that. Okay, 1 second. Sorry.
108 times 1650 divided by 590.
Please be 300 liters. Please be 300 liters.
It will be around 300 something. Correct?
Yes, sir.
600 to around 300 something. If I do oral maths, 590, 1650 around it. How much you got here?
108 divided by
108 multiply with 1650.
multiply. I'm doing dividing. Okay, times 1. Okay, I got
And
this.
whole divided by 590. And divide by 590 now.
Okay, divide by 5. Yeah, it's 302.
See, I told you, right? Approximately 302.
Yeah.
That's my speed math. Okay, Daja? It will require 302 liters of diesel. But the method is what? Ratio of this and ratio of this should be equal. This diesel one diesel. I'll give a simple example for all of you. Okay? Daja, got it?
So the problem with this problem is that in the textbook the answer was given 300 liters.
300. Because they are approximated. We are going exact answer.
Oh.
So,
Okay.
Raja, I always believe we should be so strong that we should prove the book wrong. I always do that. Raja should say, sir, book answer is wrong because it's not accurate. You should say that. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Like
sir.
that. Thank you. So now I'll do one more before we close the class. Let's write it. If 12 books cost rupees 400, then 18 books will cost how much? What the ratio will make, guys? You will say book 1 versus cost 1. With ratio what? Book 2, the second set of book. Ratio cost 2. That is what how it works or not? Yeah. Book process cost, book process cost. Means what I try to say is book process cost is like equal to second book process cost. Agree here? In every question. What is the book 1? 12. Priyanka, how much is the cost 1? Initial cost?
Sir, 400.
400. How much is book 2?
Sir, 18.
18. How much is cost 2? You have to find out. So now what rule is Kanak? Kanak, what is the rule of proportion?
Sorry. Sorry,
What is the rule of proportion?
you keep cutting out.
I'm saying what is the rule of proportion?
Product of extremes is equal to product of means.
Correct. What is the product actually here? What is 12 times
C,
equal to
12C,
equal to
Oh. 400 times 18.
perfect. So it becomes C equal to 400 times 18 whole divided by 12, right? Connect and Najar, everyone. No, you solve using calculator or normal math 12, 18, this 7.5, 400, 600. The answer will be rupees 600. See, that's it. Understood Najar, the concept? It's all about rule of proportion. You proportion one to other. 600. I know. Yeah. Yes. Because I'll tell you the speed math. 18 and 12, 1.5. 400, 1.5. This is 600. That's it. That is my way of doing math. Okay. Is everybody okay about proportion, ratios? Priyanka, what I want all of you to do is, I'm also going to tell you formula for percentage and ratios, but try some questions of your textbooks. Easy questions, you can do all the questions easily. Any questions here? Priyanka? I'm still waiting for invitation for Priyanka, you know. When she'll come back from school and invite me. Kanak, no question? And Naja? Shall we close? Perfect. So next week, it was usual time. Today was little delay because I stuck in some program last moment. Okay.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.